Hello. Today we will be setting up the Java version of Bridges in the Netbeans IDE. The first thing you will need to do is download the Bridges jar file from the Bridges documentation website. Once the download is complete, export the jar file into a folder that you can easily access. Now open Netbeans and create a new project. I will name this one Bridges Test. Right-click the name of your project in the Project Explorer window. Select Set Configuration and then Customize. In the Project Properties window, select Libraries and then Add Jar or Folder. Now navigate to the directory where you stored your Bridges jar file. Select it, press Open, and then OK. Open the Java file with your main method, and then go back to the Bridges documentation website. Here we will click the link to User Guide/Tutorials, then select the Erase tab. Be sure the Java tab is selected, then scroll down to find the test code. First we will copy the Bridges imports and paste them above the main method. Next, back on the tutorial page, we will select all of the code between create the Bridges object and bridges.visualize. Copy it, and then paste that within your main method. Next, we will adjust the arguments for the Bridges object. First, enter an integer for your assignment number, then your user ID and your API key. These can be found by logging into your Bridges account and going to Profiles. Last, we will add an exception to the main method. This needs to be done with any method that communicates with the Bridges web server. Now save and run your project. The output should provide a link to your Bridges visualization. Copy this link and paste it to your web browser. And that's it. Now you can build more visualizations with the Java version of Bridges in the Netbeans IDE. You can find more tutorials on the Bridges documentation website.